Good morning, well, afternoon now. It's Monday, so that means we're on day, what is it now? 5, 6, 7? Yeah, it's been a week. It's day 7 because it's Monday and it started last Monday. We put all the plants outside because it's sunny and nice and warm, and I'm stuck inside doing adult things, making sure that I can pay the bills here. But yeah, that's fun. Okay, so I have made this before. This is my little light bulb rooting thing. And I have several light bulbs at home right now that I have saved to do this, and I've never gotten around to it. So it sits here in my kitchen on the window. And I was thinking it'd be a good time to make a new one. So that's what we're gonna do while my computer updates. Okay, so here's my setup. We have our light bulb, our twine, and our assortment of pliers. What we're gonna be doing is taking the end of this out of the light bulb so we can put the plant in without hopefully breaking this bulb. I don't even remember how I did this the first time. So this should be interesting. So right now I'm just crushing what I think is resin on this light bulb. Alright, we've pulled the little end off. I don't know what I'm doing. I potentially have just made this way harder on myself. Okay, so the little piece of what I'm assuming is resin. Now maybe we can just take it out. There's a big piece. And there's the other piece. So we've got all the resin out of the light bulb. And now we just have to break the last little piece of glass in there without breaking the whole bulb. Huh, my laptop just turned back on. This is nerve-wracking because I'm afraid I'm gonna break the whole bulb. Alright, we've got it loose. It's making terrible noises. But now we have our light bulb. I'm gonna go dump out all of this stuff in the trash before I get glass everywhere. Okay, we are back. I have cleaned out the light bulb. I guess there's actually still a little bit of water in there. And we have our light bulb. We are now going to take twine and wrap it around the top of this. What I did last time was tie one end around the little threads of the light bulb, and then you want to make it have some length to the holder. So then we'll cut that. I should have brought Bailey's back. Hey, I'm making a craft video. Oh, I made us a new light bulb.
Sweet.
we just have to wrap it in twine. So that will be pretty. You know what I don't have is super glue. Do we have super glue? Yeah, we have super glue. That's just what I use to make sure that the knots won't come undone while there's water and a plant in it. Thank you. Handy dandy assistant.
Just call me Vanna White.
I just spilled water all over the floor. Okie dokie. Now we gotta cut this off. Then we gotta super glue it on. Super glue is the best glue. This is what. Alright, there you go. That's the finished product, minus the plant. We are getting ready to cook dinner. Cooking dinner. I'm making stuffed crescent rolls for dinner. So we have rice, we have to ground some beef, and cook some crescent rolls. Dinner outside.
Hello, Smith family and plant experts everywhere. I need some assistance. I have just surgically removed my plant that had multiplied in my light bulb. But it's multiplying upside down. Can someone help? My leaves are growing upside down. Look at this. What do I do? Why are they growing upside down? Like the whole stem system is upside down. I had to violently rip it out of its lovely light bulb home to rehome the new light bulbs. I need some help. Any thoughts?